Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. It does sound a little echoey in here and I'm not sure why. This room is filled to the brim. So I apologize. I'll work on that. But we're going to start with a few things today. I get a lot of questions about people starting out. And, you know, I've been doing this most of my YouTube career. But let's start with a few things here that I'm going to help out people who are just starting, who want to express themselves and maybe don't have the money or don't know what to do, where to start. This is going to be basically for people, you know, who might not have the money to run out right now with everything going on and find it out. So one of the things I want to show you guys, and I don't know which one's better, we'll see, but these, you guys have seen me use these forever, the Crayola quick dry paint sticks. I love these. I like to use them with water sometimes, just to get for that mixed media look. So let me show you these. And I just happen to have some open here, because I use them quite a bit. But as you can see, they're it's almost like a lipstick, right? And they come in, you know, Roy G. Biv, and you can go in and, you know, smudge it. I like, because I essentially am a mixed media artist. That's my thing. That's what I love. Just hang with me these first few videos, so because I'm just trying to get it back, you know what I'm saying? Okay, paintbrush. Now let's see, that you can see it smudges out. Now you can use those, what they're used for is for, look at that with the water. So you have some watercolor paint. Do you see what I'm saying to you? You can go to Michael's and use a coupon, or the Hobby or whatever, you know, if you like going there. Amazon. But I know Michael's always is having coupons now. So you see, you can spread that out. Oh, I'm going to have to turn this off. That's driving me nuts, the autofocus. Am I focused? Yeah. Okay. So you can go to Hobby and, you know, use a coupon or whatever. Now, let's see, because these are used for like windows and stuff, you know, but why not? Let's blend. Those two together. Let me do my finger. Makes it nice. I'll show you because it looks like nothing here, but just wait. I'll take your water and you just dab. You don't have to have it soaking wet. And then as I move it around, you can see you get like a red purple, right? And then, you know, you can go back and forth and do it yourself and just play. Okay? I mean, they're a lot of fun. And like I said, you know, let me just explain to you. I bought this. And it is a Winsor Newton and watercolor. And I think it was like $30. It was ridiculous. So why not do the same? Like if you want to do something like that, you know, and play, and you want to, you know, you can save some money. Is it the same color? No, but you see what I'm saying to you. I mean, it's the same consistency and everything else. That's if you know, if you have the 30 bucks, go buy the Winsor Newton or the, what's that one? The, oh, the expensive one. I have it here. I can't remember the name right now of the watercolor. So that's number one. Okay, so this is the Crayola quick dry paint sticks. Now, I saw this on, it's from Creatology. It's on Michael's as well. So let's see what these are like. I've not opened these yet, but it looks like the same colors. This has a black, gray, brown. It looks like an ochre, purple. Here, let me just do like this. You see all the colors you get? And these are from Creatology. So let's see how these fare. We'll use the same kind of colors. Let's open them. Oh. Okay. Nice. It's a thick kind of pastel feel. Let's see. Can we wet it? And it's a deeper red, as you can see, but you definitely can wet it. Let's see about mixing them. Red. And let's do yellow. Oh, look at that. Nice. Yep. You can see you get your orange. So these are mixable as well. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you is, I don't know if you can see here, but you can see where I drew that red line. Now, if I go in and scrub it like this, which you don't want to do, it'll lift off a little bit, but just know that, like, if it bothers you, the Crayola didn't do that. These do. You know, I mean, it's really, what do they say, 6 of one, half dozen of the other. So it depends on what you like. Now I'm going to try to show you one more thing, and then my canvas that I started. Okay. So, you know, I always say, like, when you go to the Dollar Tree or to the store or wherever, find things that you can use in your mixed media in a different way. Well, I got this from the $1.25 store, and I thought, oh, that would make a really good stamp. So I haven't tried it yet because I thought I'd do it on video so you guys could see. Now we could even put that on there if we wanted. Maybe I'll do the stamp first, and then let's see. Let's hope my stamps work. I use my stamps so much and so much in mixed media that I don't know if this one's gonna work, if it has enough ink. But they're all dried out because I use them in, you know, I put them over acrylic paint and ATC cards, and I guess I could see, that's what I mean. I have to take those balls off because they're getting on my nerves, but let's just say, okay, let's just see what we can do. Then I'm going to flip it and push it. Ugh. Push it real good. Okay, so we can get a stamp. It's just not as, I didn't get the ink on it as much as I wanted to. I wonder if I'm going to cut that ball off. But you can see, yeah, we definitely can get a print. Okay. I'm going to cut the balls off. Sorry. Sorry. Not sorry. Okay. Now this wonder if we could use for something. I don't know. I'm always thinking, but I'm not going to get rid of it yet. So let's take this purple and run it. Across. I'm going to turn the page. Okay. Push it down, push it down. Oh yeah, it's getting there. You see what I'm saying? You got some texture. That's what I want. I don't want a full, you know, for it to look what it looks like. Now I know if I put my hands here and rub it, which you can't do with a canvas, that's fine. Oh, everything's shaking. Yeah, see, I like that. Look at the texture it's adding. So when I go to put that, which I'm going to in a second, show you guys. Let me move this. I've been having a ball just sitting here and coloring and painting, and I thought, you know what, let me just try to do a video. This is me big girl. Now, can you guys see all of it? Come here. Okay, why do I see a clock somewhere? Wait a minute. What is this? Am I seeing something? Okay, it must be that. Okay, I'm gonna have to move that. I did not realize it was on my thing. Come on. Okay, let's see. I apologize. That's my dogs. Did that take it? Yeah, it kind of took it, huh? Okay, let's see if that helps. Okay, so this is all in the way. See, this is why I'm doing it. I'm doing it so I can learn. So I can learn. Okay, so here's what I did. I put this on my easel, and I just took, I have a video of it, but I saw myself on camera and wasn't happy. Wonder if I spray this. Spray a bottle, spray a bottle. There it is. I just took acrylic ink, this. You know, they have it, who has it? Liquitex, is it? These are my favorite things. I love these. So I threw them on there, just in red, blue, and yellow. I'm going to wet this and see if I get a better print. Now, so I did this as the background. I wanted to, and these are permanent. They're just acrylic paints in acrylic ink form. Come on. I see that brown's coming up. Look at the texture though. Okay, I'm going to go on this hand and push up. Give it a squinch. Yeah, see? See that texture? That's all I need. That's all I want. You can get texture in a million different ways. I'll show you one more thing. Okay. I've been wanting to come back to YouTube for so long and just sit and paint, and after I fell, Dave switched rooms, and so my old art room, which was where I fostered puppies and all the things. So I can't foster right now because I still can't walk, but so he made me my little art room. So I'm kind of excited. So please bear with me. I will be, you know, I will be doing my best and all the things. Okay, so you see this. Now I bead. I love making jewelry, and you get these little that have these little circles on them. So why not? Now you can do this in paint. Maybe Maybe I'll do this in paint. Maybe I'll do this in... Do I have my white gesso here? Come on. Yeah. I'll do it in some white gesso. Ugh. Let's put a little squeeze. Will do ya. Just a little bit. Now it could be white paint, whatever you want. I notice it's dark here as I look. So I'm going to have to see what I can get Dave to do to make it lighter here. Let me see if this would work. Let's see. Is that better? I don't know. Tell me if that's better or not. I know you can't answer me as I ask you questions. Okay. So now... And now I have this circle. And I can just put it all over. And it's going to be covered up, you know, once I keep adding layer and layer. Put 3 here. Put 3 there. I love odd numbers. And, you know, I don't know if this is a rule or not, but like, how do I explain it? Like, see, okay, so I did these whites right here, these white rings. So it's good, they say, to put it in 3 areas on your canvas. So it would be here, here, and here. Now, I put it elsewhere, obviously, but I mean, so always do, like, so you have different areas that, you know what I mean? They say at least in the 3. So, me, I am into more is more kind of stuff. I don't care. Now, let's say, okay, you want, let's say you want bigger. Well, what the things we were just using has a bigger, let's see, how much bigger? Is it bigger? Let's see, I don't know. Bigger is not always better. Yeah, it is a little bit bigger. So I'll do 3. And you know what else I've been into is, is anybody even listening to me this long? I don't care. I'm still going to do it. But abstract. So you'll probably be seeing me getting into, because that's kind of what I started this with, was some abstract. So just wipe that off here. So yeah, so I started this. I was going to go for abstract, and then I thought, well, maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I'll take you along and just, you know, show you what I do. But for this, I'm done. I wanted to show you guys the paint sticks starting out. I will, oh, you know what, I'll show you in another video. But I'll be back working on this, and, you know, I am thankful that you sat with me this long, and till I figure all this out and what my next step is. So I'll see you in my next video. I might do it now. I don't know. But thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know down below that you watched this long. I would appreciate it, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing anymore. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. As always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting, and we need that more than ever right now. So, all right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.